Hello! So this video will be working on turning our triangle into a nice square. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, I've explained that in my update video. So in this video essentially what we've got to do is define 4 vertices and then define a list of indices which tells OpenGL which order to render, well, to rasterize each vertex. Then we define a type of VBO called an element array buffer. So it's not really a VBO, it's an EBO. Then we do all the other stuff and then we change our draw function to draw elements instead of draw arrays. So let's start that now. We define the indices array. So first we'll start off with this one, then we'll do that one, then we'll do this one. Then we'll do these in order. So after our VBO, we'll come in here and we'll create, and then we'll generate a buffer. We'll then bind the buffer. And this takes in 2 parameters, the type of buffer, which is an element array, and then it takes in the ID. Now we put the data within, takes a type, takes in the size in bytes of the data, takes in the data itself, and we'll be doing a static draw. Now before we render, we need to bind the EBO. We do GL draw elements. We want to draw triangles. There's 6 vertices. And the indices are of type unsigned int. In fact, I've actually made a small mistake. You don't actually need to bind the EBO before rendering. So let's build and see what occurs. Well, we get this, which isn't quite right. So I've obviously made a small mistake with the extra coordinate. Ah, there it is. And we have our nice little quad, which changes shape depending on the size of the window, but because we still need to implement projection matrices and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that should be it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.